Welcome back guys to new video. Today this is the last video of our program. Yes, Jarvis. So you must watch this video. Why? Because as we know, as you know, we had created many files and they uses either Cohere or Grok API key. But now they don't work. Why? Why they don't work? Because I tried many different models of Grok, but it don't work. When and Cohere also changed his models. Like this is the model, the other model. So this is the updated file. Now you need this file, okay? And I also tried Grok. It don't work. So you need to add a Gemini API key. Yes, yes, Gemini. Yes, the program of Google, and the version I use is the best for a free available versions is Gemini 2.5 Flash. Yes. So what you're gonna to do? Search Google AI STUDIO for Google API key. Yes, Google AI Studio. Just wait and watch. So for now, I'm going to tell you about these. What we are going to do today. This is the main.py file. I'm going to explain you. Um, by truth, it's nothing. It only uses the program of other files, and after that, these program we created over here. This is the main execution. See how long means this tells when and which thing we need to use. Yes, okay, it's super easy to explain and you also get it very nice. So at the last of the video I'm gonna to tell you how you can create these. For now let's just get explained it. Firstly, we imported all the things from GUI, you know, at last video we had done it, and then all the main programs from these all. Yes, and we skip the image generation because it use hugging face API, and that just I don't get it for free, so just skip that image generation. And then there is .env. You know why? Time for delay, sub processes for just checking for an ongoing processes. Threading, thread is you know, background task. Yes, we used a thread at last. Threading.thread. Yes, we used threading at last. And JS1 for loading and dumping files. OS for managing files. Okay. So firstly, we um we take an username as if empty user, assistant name if empty assistant. Okay, you can change this by default. These are by default values. If there is if in .env, if there is nothing, so like I added over here, so it will just choose by default yes, user and assistant. Okay, now this default message if the chatlog.jsn file, where is that? If this file is empty, yes, then we will see this default message. Okay, then there are functions which will be used after some time. Sub processes list, the list of sub processes um, which are ongoing. Yes, so default chat if no chats. This function do words if there is no chat in chatlog.json, it created and add these two in history. This much. Yes, means firstly responsive to data, it adds what we can say about this default test to responses. Okay, and after that there is read chatlog.json. It reads chatlog.json, okay, and return chatlog data, okay. And after that this chatlog integration, okay. um okay, it dumps the data in chatlog.json file, okay. And then there is so chat on GUI. It shows the all um older chat on GUI, okay. Then this is initial execution. It run at the very first, you can see here, initial execution. It runs at first, okay. After that, where we are, okay. Firstly, it set microphone status to false, means microphone status means microphone turn off, okay. Then show text to screen. I think it was, yes, this was in GUI. uh, Shows the text on screen, yes. And then there's show default chat message if no, okay. Then chat log integration. um it integrates the chatting. If, and this is so older chats, if you want older chats, just click over here and remove this. And if you don't want, like me, the older chats, just control and slash, yes, this much. And this is main execution. Firstly, task execution and image execution false, okay. These will be these will, why? Because we don't want a task to be done many times, that's why these are starting, these are false. Image generation query, these are image generation that we don't need any much. Set assistant status to listening, okay, we need that. And query equals to speech recognition, means what the user speak will stored as query um variable, okay. So text to screen, um, then the query will be displayed to the screen. After that, it sets assistant status thinking and decision first layer .dmm query. You got it? Or model.py first layer .dmm. See this? You got it now? So see that all the files will be included now. Then it will print the decision in the term in run over here, okay. Just skip this keyboard interrupt. And then G will equals to journal query, and R will equals to real time query, okay. Then merged query, it will join the queries. You don't get it? Like I said him hello, then I say him search who is Elon Musk. I just this, so it will remove journal and search from there, and merge both of them in single query. You not get it now? I know you don't get it. Where I just need to create an extra text file. So I asked him, how are you? Then I asked, search SEAR, search who is Elon Musk, who is Elon Musk. Then our program will add journal and a real time at the starting, okay. Yes, for that we can say um, our first layer.dmm, okay. So it will be like this: GERNAL, journal, how are you. It will be journal, how are you. REAL, real, TIME. Just skip the spelling mistakes, okay? Real time. Our program will do it like this. Now, for the this will do what? Take this and and which Elon Musk? It will do it like this. Now you got it? Yes, I think you got it. If there is generate in query, it will just go to imagination. Okay, it will imagination query equals to str query. Okay, it will convert that text to str string, and image execution will be true. Just skip this now. Okay, you don't need this. For query, if there is open, it will run the open app function, and if close, it will run the close app function. Yes. For mhm. Okay, it is for task execution, like functions you reminded it. We have it like here's the functions. Okay, these are the functions which are served by the automation.py file. Okay, this only. um, okay, where I was. Okay, here. So then it will convert the task execution true and then the false. Okay, and this is image execution, we don't need it. Okay, we don't need it because we don't have it now. If G and R or R means if the query is journal and real time both, or only real time, it will set assistant status to searching, and answer equals to real time search engine query modifier merged query. What is merged query? um yeah, it was, yes, here's the merged query. Okay, you got it. Firstly, it will set the assistant status to searching, and then it will real time search engine query modifier. It will send these merged query to query modifier for removing any extra lines, and the modified query will be sent to real time search engine. Okay, now show text to screen, then it will show the answer to the screen, and then set assistant status to answering and text to speech answer. Okay, got it. You will be get it in when they will be when I run it. Okay, if not, if these requirements aren't satisfied, then if journal in query, if there is journal in the query, it will set assistant status to thinking, and final query will be replaced by journal, like only how are you. Okay, then it will be answer chatbot. It will send the modified query to the chatbot. What query modifier does? Remove extra things. Okay, so text to screen, you got it, and this is same. Elif real time, this is same thing, exact ditto thing. And if there is exit, same thing, as it is same thing. Okay, but the only this thing that there is chatbot. Okay, and if not, it will show the error. Okay, then there is first thread. It is the while loop. Current status, it will get the microphone status. Okay, and then print the current status. If current status equals to true, because we know the current status is like this. Okay, and if we make it dot LOWER lower, then what output we will get? So I think you got it, guys. Okay, okay, then it will, if this condition is satisfied, then it will print executing main execution. Okay, if current status means get microphone status is false, then it will try to get the AI assistant status available, searching, thinking, etc. And then it will print that status. It will be printed in terminal. Don't worry about that. If available means if AI status is available, then it will wait for 1 second, else print setting assistant status to available, set assistant status to available. Okay, if if these two aren't satisfied, then it will unexpected microphone status value defaulting to false. Okay, and if there is any error, sorry, if there is any error, it will print that error in first thread. Okay, then it will wait to avoid infinite repeat errors. Okay, then the second thread will only graphical user interface. Then it will initial execution. Where, yes, here. Okay, and after it, thread equals to, it will first create the first thread so that it runs in background. Okay, I will set it to false, so that if the main task is completed, means second thread is stopped, then it will automatically stop. Okay, then it will start the thread and then second thread. Okay, so now there's a thing. Yes, Google AI Studio. I will click over here. This link will be given to the description box. Okay, not to worry about that. This takes a lot of time. Yes, and then it will this AI thing, and then click on create API key, and then you will need to create project, and then I have created. You just need to create project, name your project, then create. Then it will automatically start it Jarvis AI. Then enter your name like Jarvis 1. Okay, right. Now you got it. And then click on create key. It will be created. And then just click and then paste. This much. Hope you like the video. So if you do, please do like the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.